What's going on YouTube? Geosna right here. This is iOS 26.0.1 and this is Filza, the file manager from Jailbroken devices running on iOS 26.0.1, and of course it looks pretty cool, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can install it and of course what you can do with it without a jailbreak. This video is brought to you by 8ksec. If you're interested in iOS hacking, building your own jailbreak, if you want to learn how to make jailbreak tweaks and understand how to do all of this stuff that you used to love on jailbreaking, definitely check out their labs over here. You go here to 8ksec, you go here to labs, and then you go to iOS challenges. And these challenges are all free. You can learn for free how to use Frida and method Switzerland and Objective-C and iOS exploitation and stuff like that. There's a lot of exercises in here completely free that you can take if you want to get started with jailbreak development and of course with iOS tweaks. Definitely check it out. Anyway, today somebody asked me on Twitter, is there a way I can install Filza on iOS 18? And yes, you can install Filza on iOS 18. I even made an application that converts the Filza tweak, the Filza deb, into an IPA file for iOS 18 and iOS 26 so that you can install it without a jailbreak. And this is from back in July, but many people did not see it. And this tool allows you to create that IPA no problem. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, Filza without a jailbreak is very limited. There's not very much you can do, and really the only reason you would install it is probably nostalgia and because it looks cool. But it does technically work. You can browse the sandbox accessible files. You can essentially either use my tool over here, Filza 26 Maker, which essentially works for macOS, for all types of macOS, or you can use this fork over here from master-s, which is in Python, and this one works on Windows as well, probably on Linux too, since it's on Python, and this one allows you to do exactly the same thing. If you want to follow this on Windows, you can definitely do so, because there is no official IPA available without jailbreak, I'm afraid. If you're using my application, what you have to do is to cd desktop, get the application, and of course run chmod +x, drag it and drop it, press enter, and then run this one again. And this will get whatever it needs, like the Filza tweak deb file, and it will create an iOS 26 ready IPA for you, and this works with iOS 18 as well. Once you have it over here on desktop, you just have to send it to sideloadly or your favorite application for sideloading and stuff like that, and you will have it on your device without a jailbreak. And that is exactly how you get Filza without a jailbreak. Filza used to be a massively popular file manager on jailbroken devices. You would install this from Cydia or from Sileo, but of course nowadays without a jailbreak is very limited. As I said, mostly for nostalgia purposes, I imagine. Anyway, you can browse the system, library, and the rest over here. So you can definitely go ahead, for example, and extract a couple of PLISTS, and you can view them. So I'm going to go, for example, over here into the preference bundles and into, say, Siri message bundle, and there should be a plist file, for example, the info plist. And yeah, you can open these plists over here and see exactly what they contain. You can open other kinds of things like images and stuff like that. You can view hex of stuff, and yeah, that's essentially what you can do with it. As I said, mostly nostalgia. But this is pretty cool to have on iOS 26, and it's a little nod to the good old days of jailbreaking. If you want to get Filza on iOS 18 and iOS 26, this is how you do it. You either have this tool over here. I'm going to link both of them below. This one is in Python. That's what you have to do to run it. Python 3 and the .py file after you download it over here. Or my version over here for macOS, which you just run as I showed in the video. So yeah, definitely check it out. Also check out the article over here to see exactly what this does. Thank you for watching. I am Geosna. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.